What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Keto Lifestyle, and today we are going to be making a fantastic keto fish cake or keto crab cake, whatever you guys want to do. Myself, the guy at the deli, only had 1.2-ish pounds of cod, so I needed to add some extra meat in there, and crab seemed like a good option. But the recipe and macros are going to be down below in the description, and let's get started.
To all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime way back in 2003. Hey, she was a cutie in a sundress. I told her I just had to confess, I got a crush on you, darling. Them long tan legs got me falling. And I know we just met, yeah. But I heard that love at first sight ain't a myth. Oh no, yeah. I wanna take you out on a dance floor, girl. I wanna hear you screaming out for some more, girl. I wanna do something that they go crazy. Call you my baby, my pretty lady. I wanna be with you until we're fucking 80. I wanna watch the sunset with you daily. Keep my baby safe as we live, always chasing. Hearts racing when I'm with you, I'm just saying. Back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime way back in 2003. I've been chilling on the coast with my homegirl. The palm trees and the time moving slow, girls. Back to my place, hey, you can call it home, girl. And your coladas on tap, we alone, girl. I want a piece of you, you want a piece of me. Ray-Bans on, got it locked, got the heat. I love your smile too, I've never felt so free. Bring it on, girl, work that body here to me. And I know that summer only lasts 3 months, yeah. We got the whole world, travel with me, girl. And we'll never stop chasing the sun. That's right. On the run, we ain't done till we find what we want. So we can stop anytime we want. Cause we on the run, we ain't done till we find what we want. But I already found the one. I think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime way back in 2003. I'm one of a kind, there ain't no one like me. So hard to find, it's the real damn thing. Don't be wasting any time, I got somewhere to be. Always on the grind, yeah, you know me. Hold the crown will be mine, you can call me king. A matter of time for you all love me. Finally at my prime, right where I wanna be. I'm one of a kind, there ain't no one like me. Put my money where my mouth is, I'ma get it now, kid. Heard around town, this sound is astounding. Feel my heart pounding, bass is surrounding. Think I finally found it, so I'm gonna mount it. Like an ex-girlfriend, I'ma get it back. Make a couple racks as I make a couple tracks. Stay on the attack as I'm writing every rap in a snapback. Black off this coke and this jack. Man, I feel good, dog, I feel good. Woke up a little richer, also with a little wood. If I could teach this shit.
Alright, everybody, so you have seen how to make these crab cakes. I've got 2 of them plated up here with just a little bit of tartar sauce. I do recommend serving with tartar sauce or lemon juice, and you can make your own tartar sauce or use store-bought. The one here, it's about 1 tablespoon is 1 net carb, so it's not too bad. Anyway, let's give it a taste test right here. It's almost a shame because of how pretty it is. Now that's absolutely delicious. The lemon juice that I left in the actual recipe comes through just perfectly nice. The tartar sauce adds a nice little bit of a coolness to it, and then the chunks of crab and fish are just big enough. If you overmix it, they'll get really thin or really small chunks. But if you want to leave it nice and chunky, that's really what I recommend. And then there's that sear on there, which gives you just a little bit of a crispy kind of bite through it. This is absolutely fantastic. The macros are great, and they're in the description down below if you're curious about them or haven't looked yet. But guys, seriously, try these. And with that, I'm going to close the video. If you like the video, leave it a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment sections. And if you have not subscribed yet, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit that subscribe button. I'll put it on the screen right now. It's going to be down below. Really helps me out a lot, and you get to see more cool recipes like this. But with that, guys, I'll see you in the next one.